today I thought we'd do a Mother's Day craft project since Mother's Day is next Sunday. So today we're going to make this card for Mom, and you get to decorate it and put anything you want on the inside of it. So the project will require these things. You'll need a piece of craft paper, 8.5 by 11, a 3-inch M stencil, a small cupcake liner, a glue stick, some stickers, some crayons, scissors, and a pencil, and a marker. That's what we'll need for today. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our M stencil and we're going to trace it onto a piece of construction paper. Now this is a piece of paper that I had that's just old and left behind, and this is a 3-inch M stencil, and I'm going to put it on my construction paper and I'm going to trace around it. So you're going to make 2 M's like this, and then we're going to cut them out. So next we'll take our construction paper and we'll fold it in half. Now you can make your card going this way, where it opens like this, or this way. Today I'm going to go this way. First thing we're going to do is take one of our M's. We're going to put some glue on there. And then put it either in the middle or in the upper corner. Just press it down. And take your little cupcake liner, flatten it out. Just push in the middle and kind of press out on the sides to make it flat. Put some glue on what was the inside, so when it lays down flat. Glue on there. And we're going to put it in the middle. Push it down and start in the middle and kind of go out towards the sides. Kind of gets all the wrinkles out. And if your edges curl up, put a little glue there. Glue it down, or you can put the glue on the card part and press it down. Whatever's easiest. Your other M, do the same thing, put your glue on. And then you can put it in the middle again or off to the side. And stick it down there really good. We're all done with the glue. So now you have your card. It says Mom, and we can do a number of things. We can add stickers, we can color, we can draw a happy face on our O, which is what I'm going to do. I am going to take a crayon and I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to use my stickers, and I'm going to decorate my M and around the sides. And you can use any stickers you want. I just happen to have heart stickers and butterflies, and that's what I'm going to use today. So my card looks like this now. On the inside, you can write your mom a little note or draw a picture. And I am going to write in here with a marker, I love you. And then you can take your crayons and your stickers and you can decorate. You can draw a picture of you and mom over here. And don't forget to sign your name on the bottom so that mom knows it's from you. And then you have your Mother's Day card. I hope you have fun enjoying time doing this craft.